This issue, we've got a unique franchise model that's shifting industry standards, a car dealership expansion that pushed the limits, and a deep dive into how PFAS chemicals are showing up in your customers' systems. Let's get into the March 2025 issue of Onsite Installer. But first, a quick message from our sponsor. Ashland Pump is a small Ohio company delivering big promises for over 35 years. American-made quality, dependability, and a commitment to your success. When you choose Ashland Pump, you're choosing a partner who backs your reputation with every pump you install. Learn more at ashlandpump.com. On the cover, Tanya Wilson didn't just build a septic business, she built a movement. From hesitant beginnings to launching a franchise, Homefield Onsite Environmental is reshaping the game. New standards, career growth, and even helping competitors thrive. Could this model be your blueprint for success? More sales equals more wastewater. When a Wisconsin car dealership expanded, Hair Construction had to think fast. Multiple traffic-rated tanks, navigating regulations, and working through disturbed soil. Here's how they got it done. PFAS chemicals are everywhere, even in your customers' septic systems. These forever chemicals are seeping into groundwater, and like it or not, septic pros might be at the forefront of the battle. Find out how you can make a difference. Mountain work is no joke. Scott Search and his crew are scaling 10,000-foot peaks and crossing rivers to keep things flowing in the Rockies. What's their secret to success? Hint, it's not traditional advertising. Grants, fines, and infrastructure upgrades could mean big shifts in how you do business. What's happening and where are the new opportunities? We break it all down for you. From power-free siphons to intelligent control panels, this lineup covers it all. Check out the Ashland Pump CPM series, built tough with bottom suction design and up to 1/8-inch solids handling. Sunset Bay's wastewater challenge looked impossible. Tight lots, steep terrain, no access to treatment plants, but a decentralized effluent sewer with advanced treatment systems got the job done. Tough terrain? Jet Inc.'s new poly tank is the answer. Double the burial depth, more options, and a stronger build. Thank you for watching, and as always, thank you for reading Onsite Installer. See you next month.